Diesel TV is brought to you by Hot Shot Secret.
Welcome back to the Nhrda on Diesel TV. Big news coming out of Texas. Smeding Diesel, Ben Smeding himself called us up. He signed on as the official turbo supplier of the Nhrda for the 2023 series. So big hoorah to Ben out there. These guys have been doing it for over a decade now. They machine, assemble, and balance every single turbo right there in Texas and can ship it out to you. They do single turbos, twin turbos, they got manifolds, Cummins, Duramax, Powerstroke, even Caterpillar engines. So big congrats to Ben Smeding and his group down there at Smeding Diesel. And everything's bigger in Texas, right? So Ben decided to double down. Ben also, Smeding Diesel, is the title sponsor presenting the World Finals. So again, you guys heard about it. ODSS and Nhrda, we shook hands. We're at the PRI show. We're both going to run our own series, but then come to the World Finals, there's a showdown. East versus West. So Nhrda versus ODSS at the Texas Motorplex, presented by Smeding Diesel. So big congrats again to Smeding Diesel. They've been sponsors in the past, but I tell you what, sure stepped up in 2023, bringing Nhrda full steam into the future. Check us out, nhrda.com, smedingdiesel.com. We'll see you at the track.